Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at these. These are the Miss Rose Professional High Pigment Double-Ended Lipstick. So you've got a lip liner, a skinnier side and a thicker side. So I have got 5 shades and I'm going to be swatching them for you today. I do apologise if my speech sounds slurred. I've got an abscess, so I can't wear my denture plate, so I'm having to do my video with no teeth in, which I don't like doing, but needs must and all that. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start with this shade here. This is shade 01 and it's called Showgirl. When you open them up, they look a little something like this. It says Miss Rose on the front and then it says number 1 Showgirl on the back. And like I said, they are a double-ended lipstick, so you twist this side up. Wow. So that's how much product you get, which is amazing, considering these are only £1 80p and then 19p 19p for postage. And then the other side is the thicker lipstick, and again you get a lot of product in there. So let's take the skinnier end and do my lips. So that's my lips outlined. And then just going to fill in with this side. So this is the lipstick swatched. Let's get in close. Beautiful. It's a lovely pinkish nude, like a mauvey nude, mauvey nude. Told you my teeth is buggering everything up here. So that is shade number 1, Showgirl. Right, let's just put it down. Now let's see how easy they are to remove. Seriously easy. Wow. Go back over my lips. So next up we have this. This is shade number 3, Flash of Pink. So here we have shade number 3, Flush of Pink. I have to say, I'm not a big fan of this colour, not on my skin tone. I don't think this colour suits me at all. What do you think? Do you think it looks okay? Okay, next up is this. This is shade number 6, and this is Spanish Pink. This is more of a nudie pink. Oh! Oh! There's no lip liner in this one. Oh, it's up in the pot, that's why. Look. Oh god, is it going to go down? There we go. Let's see. It's probably going to snap off now. Let's try. No, this just keeps sliding down. Okay, so this is pretty much the shade of my lips. This is what my lip colour is. Bit hard. They've got a slight skincare smell to them. It smells nice. I don't know why, but for some reason this shade seems to really be settling into my lines. And it's just a touch brighter than my lip shade. I thought they were identical, but this is a tiny bit lighter. So there we have Spanish Pink. Two left, 2 to go. Okay, so let's go in with this. This is shade number 7, and I'll know the name when I get it out. It hasn't got a name written on there. This is called Violet Fatally. This shade here is not as hard to put on as the last one. This one's going on quite creamy. I like this colour. Okay, so this is the shade Violet Fatally. Fatally. It's really, really pretty, this colour. I hope it's showing up on camera. Just put a tiny bit. Right, last one now, guys. This is shade 02 and this is called Sweet Girl. Again, this is gliding on extremely smooth. This is by far my favourite colour out of all of the lipsticks. So yeah, that was Sweet Girl. I will leave a link in the description to where you can purchase these from. I got these from eBay, as you can tell by the title of the video. Yeah, I would highly recommend these. Some of them are a bit stiffer to put on, like they don't just glide straight over your lips like a really creamy lipstick would, but I've got a funny feeling that those ones are going to last longer than these ones. The other ones are a little bit more matte. So yeah, that is it for today. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you plan on buying them for yourself, or if you have got them, what you think of them. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, toodles.